Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will teach you about some basics of HTML. So let's get started. So first of all we need any text editor. So I am using brackets. You can use any text editor. So we need to make an new file. So open file and here new and then save it. I am giving the file name demo and make sure the extension is HTML and I'm saving this to desktop HTML docs here. So we need to write basic structure of HTML. So I am giving title demo and I am saving Control plus S. So we will open that file that we saved in a web browser. So this is a file. See, this is displaying nothing. So we need to add content in a body. Suppose if we want to add headings in our web page, then we will need HTML headings. HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading and H6 defines the least important heading. So see again, this is a heading and this is another heading. You can see in web browser. Now if we want to add paragraphs in our web page, then we need HTML paragraphs. HTML paragraphs are defined with the p tag. So see again, this will display in paragraph. Now suppose if we want to add links to our web page, then we will need HTML links. HTML links are defined with the a tag. And this is the attribute hyperreference. and in this we will give the destination of link. So currently I am giving the link of YouTube. Copy and paste it here, and I want to give a title, click me, and I'm saving and see again. This is displaying a link. If we will click the link, this will take us to a YouTube page. So what is attribute? Attributes are used to provide additional information about HTML elements. Now if we want to add image in our web page, we will need image tag. This is img tag, and this is the attribute src. This is used for giving destination of the file. So here we will give the name of any image. Desktop, I have created a folder. Here the file is saved and there is a file present named picture, and the extension of this file is .jpg. So here is coming picture.jpg. Make sure the extension is also written. And here we will give another attribute, that is alternate. This will display an alternate text when any picture does not display it in a web browser. So here I will write youtube.com, and I want to give height and width of the image. Then I will use width attribute and I will pass value here 150 and height around 200, and I am saving this file and opening it. Now let's see, there is an image that we gave link in our HTML file. Now we want to display some list in our web page. HTML lists are defined with the UL or the OL tag followed by the LI tag, list item. OL tag means order list and UL tag means unordered list. Unordered lists are represented by bullets and order lists are represented by numbers. OL, closing of OL tag, and here LI list item, and here I am giving any value. Now I am saving this and refresh. Then let's see, this is a list which is ordered. which is represented by numbers. If we want to convert this list into another list, then we have to change it from OL to UL and save it again. See, this is displaying bullets. And now if we want to display a button in our web page, then we will need button tag, and here I am writing something, click me, and save it again and refresh. This is a button. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.